Mashaka ya ikuũ cia mutumia na mwana John Wambua arokire kanithaini uria ahoyagira o ciumia ona gũtuĩka aroneka ahinyĩrĩirio nĩ meciria amu ciumia igiri thiru nĩrĩo we mutumia wake Mariam Kighenda na kairitu kao Amanda Mutheu mathomire hamwe kanithaini uyu.
Alikuwa ni mtu wa furaha, alikuwa ni mcheshi. Kitu striking about her, alikuwa yuko very forgiving. Alikuwa haweki kitu kwa moyo.
Mutumia wake arakoragwo muhari-ini wa mbere kanithaini uyu, undu uria Wambua arauga urari gĩtugĩ kĩnene kĩhiko-inĩ kĩao kĩa makĩria ma miaka 10 mbere ya mutino uria uramutungire iria-ini ria kihindi Mombasa.
Nyuma kidogo alikuwa yuko kwenye vikundi pale kanisani. Sanctuary keeping alidumikia pale.
Riri uthuthuria wa mutino ucio urathi na mbere. Wambua ateterithitie ati mutumia wake arari ndereba njamba uria uratwarithitie ngari kwa ihinda ria makĩria ma miaka 10.
She's been driving for what, over 10 years on a license. Na she's a very careful driver. Confidently, mimi kama ningekuwa kuna mshuku driving skills zake, that is a very long stretch kumwalao yeye kwenda mpaka kule. So I really am doubting it was negligence on her part. That one I can rule out. You saw the car, it was in parking gear. You saw the handbrake was activated. So I believe when the investigation are complete, tutajua kuwa alikuwa ni nini.
Riri Wambua yetereire maumirira ma uthuthuria wa mutino uria uramutunyire endo ake eri, family yake na arata marahothithia mbeca cia kuvanga mathiko na mbeca cia kurugamirira uthuthuria wa miri, metereire thirikari kuhingia kiraniro kiayo.
If it is a safety laxity that has been on the part of the ferry, we would pray that the Kenya ferry fixes. It's a tragedy, the trauma that we have undergone as a family in the past 2 weeks. I will not wish any other family to go through that.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Helen Maina.